Look what I got today. I'm excited. It actually came a few days early, so who knew? Made my day. All right, I'm gonna do a live unboxing video for you so that you can see what came in my package today. All right, this is quite the box, and I actually just checked my order. I paid $2 shipping for this whole thing, which is pretty awesome. I don't know what the threshold is for, it's basically free shipping. I don't know how it's like $1.95, but that's okay. And my kitty has been sitting on this all day. He's so, like I mean, it's a box, but you know, he just does his thing. I'm gonna save this part for after, but look how nicely packaged this is. So this is the Ultimate Lifestyle Transformation, and it's in a couple different packages here to protect it during shipping. So we've got some shakes here. Okay. So this is the dark berry protein. All right. So this one is really good for collagen support. So bone health is something that, one of the reasons why I got it. It's also really good. The second ingredient is pomegranate juice powder. So you've got some really good antioxidants, tons of berries. So if you've heard about anthocyanins and the benefits of pigmented fruit and vegetables, that's where that gets its inspiration. So you can see, I think these are called Terra pouches. Terra is in the earth and earth friendly. So a big improvement over typical plastic jars that protein shakes might be packaged in. So I actually got the customizable pack of ULT. So I have, the Power Shake, which is the appleberry one. Really, really good green shake. And I have 2 of those. So there's 30 servings in each of those. So there's enough to do 1 power shake a day for a month and a dark berry protein shake a day for the month. And then let's see, let me stick with the ULT for now. So it also comes with this Biomedic. So this is the capsule that's really good for probiotics as well as just supporting a healthy gut microbiome. This is the one that we talked about. It's really great for detoxing glyphosate. So the yucky chemical that's coming from Roundup, that does a really nice job eliminating it. So then we also have super aminos. So these are done in 5 capsules as a serving, and it's about roughly 15 grams of protein. You can't measure exactly the grams of protein because it's not protein, it's amino acid. So it doesn't translate one for one. The nice thing about this is we do know that this is more digestible than whole protein because it's already digested for you in a way. So that is, I think, is pretty much the only thing that comes packaged in plastic. Super cleanser. So this is a parasite cleanse. You'll have a chart that walks you through what to do when. We don't start with this right away, so you can kind of set it aside for a minute. And then this, another one of my favorites. This is the ApotheCherry. So this, so cherry is another great antioxidant. It's great for inflammation. And this specifically is considered sleep support. So there's some melatonin benefits in here. It'll help your body's production of melatonin. When we're fasting, we want to be a little careful of taking this right before bed. I believe, I'll have to test it, but I believe this is going to cause at least a small bump in your glucose. So we want to be a little mindful of that and make sure we're doing it the way we intend to. There's 2 bottles of ApotheCherry, enough to have it every night. It also comes with one of my favorites, such a simple thing, but you know when you have something that works, you really appreciate it. This shaker bottle works so well. It's stainless steel, it's insulated. It comes with a little tumbler guy that agitates it. So any of the powder shakes I'm making in here, the lid also has that bit of contraption in the top. Makes it a little bit of a pain to clean, I'm not gonna lie. I have some brushes, that like bottle brushes that get in there. But you just put in your water, you put in your shake, powder, and you just shake it all around. Get some ab workout in there. Carolyn always laughs at me when I'm dancing around, shaking up my stuff. And it comes with a free cat bed. I mean, it's the coolest thing ever. Look at that. Approved by cats everywhere. Oh, my children. Okay, so that's the ULT. If you got the basic ULT, it comes with 4 bags of Power Shake, right? So you have 4 bags of Power Shake to my 2 Power Shake and 2 dark berry protein. If you got the collagen pack, you would basically get this plus an extra supplement that's specific to collagen production. Look at that. She should be a poster child, shouldn't she? The Biomedic. So you got the shakes, the Biomedic, the Super Cleanser, the protein, and the cherry. Okay, those are the elements. If you got a slightly different pack, your ingredients are slightly different. There is actually ULT Epigenius. This is called Epigenius Family. It's another protein shake option. You can use the shakes as meal replacement. I have not tried this one yet. It's chocolate flavor. I have friends that rave about it. It's loaded with good ingredients. It's called Family because it's supposed to be very, very good for children in particular, good for everybody. So that's a nice option I'll be adding, mixing in. So the way I will do that, the shakes are rather interchangeable. So no matter what shakes you have, you can just do 2 or 3 a day, or you can mix them together. Have you ever heard of a chocolate covered cherry? I hear that's what a little bit, you know, let's be reasonable, but that's a little bit what it would taste like if you mixed Epigenius and dark berry protein. Okay, this is a little bit different than the packet I got before. I hope I have a chart. Yes, I think it's just, yep, it's just branded a little bit differently than when I saw it before. So this, you can look through any of the materials they sent. I'm sure they're useful. This is what I wanted to show you. This handy dandy checklist. You know how I love checklists? This will walk you through what to do each day. Okay, so it literally walks you through in the morning, midday, and evening, and it has a checkbox for each thing. And then you see this black line in the center. That's showing you that we're not doing any super cleanser in the beginning. You're gonna give your body 10 days on the ULT pack in order to optimize, alkalinize, and get ready to roll so that your body is super supported when you do the parasite detox, okay? So it's crossed out there, and then you'll have checked boxes starting on day 11, 11 through 20, and then you'll take a break from super cleanser, and then you'll have enough left over to roll it into the next month and do a second round of it. So this lives on my fridge so that I can record what I'm doing so that I don't have to remember. It's all written out for me, and it comes with this really cool tracker so that you can track all these different metrics, right? So you can get a baseline starting on day 0, jot down all these metrics right on here, and then you can track through the month what happens, what's going on. And you can add your own things at the bottom. See, there's some blank checks to add some of your own, blank lines to add some of any of your other metrics. So if you're tracking blood sugar, that is not on here. If you wanted to jot down your fasting, like your morning waking blood sugar or blood pressure or anything else that you're watching, you can add that right in there and track it over time. What's in here? So, there are several QR codes. So you can actually take a photo of those with your phone, and it'll take you to a website and give you more information on those things. That they save on some shipping and paper products that way. There is another meal inspiration. We'll go over this in our orientation too, but I'm excited, so I wanted to share with you. So here's some meal inspiration and some ideas, another QR code to give you information about that. And then they list different options for protein, veggies, fruits, beverages, healthy fats, things like that. I don't have this memorized, so we'll go over this more in orientation if we want to make some modifications to that. But anyway, this Ultimate Lifestyle Transformation is a really, really nice package and a really nice way to get started. So I wanted to walk you through it and show you exactly what it comes with. Have a great rest of the day. Reach out with any questions you have.